In today's episode, I'll be tackling the barn, cleaning it up, getting rid of old debris and hauling it down to the fire pit. Join me as we take the first step toward making this space useful again. As you can see here, we have made a plateau here. So now it's safe for me to enter here. And I've told my wife, Elin, that I won't be doing anything stupid. So I will try not to, because here it's way too high to fall down. It's probably 4 to 5 meters height here. But the barn is missing 3 tiles on this side of the roof. So as you can see here, we have to fix this. But the roof is in quite good condition. But 3 tiles, I think it's important to fix it before this winter hits. And stop the construction from getting wet and soggy like this. This is starting to get ruined, but I think we've saved it just in time. And I must say, it's quite scary to look down, and especially since I'm alone right now. So this isn't something I'm gonna do when I'm alone at the farm. Because if I'm falling down, I would like somebody to be able to call the ambulance if that would be necessary. So I can do other work today and continue to clean. it's starting to feel nice and spacious here now. And here's the horse wagon. And the plan for the next days is to remove this pile of wooden boards over here, and then we can pull this wagon straight out with the tractor and get access to the window over here and also the missing roof tiles. So that's the plan. The trailer is fully loaded with hay and different scraps, and we're gonna bring it to the fire pit. The top floor of the barn is completely cluttered and overfilled, and that's a big problem. When it's like this, I have no control over what's trash and what's actually valuable. It's also dangerous, because I can't even see if the floors is safe to walk on. But a lot of the materials up here have great value for us in future projects. So instead of just throwing things away, we're sorting through everything carefully. What's useful, we're moving down to the middle floor of the barn so it can be stored properly and reused later. when filming a farm project like this, it takes a lot of walking in betweens to move the camera, but I find it's the benefits of getting help and support from all of the people who's watching this YouTube channel outweighs the extra work of documenting all this, because I'm getting a lot of tips and I really appreciate it. And please, 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 commenting if you see things I could do smarter, better, or in another way. And also, if you like this channel, please subscribe so you get noticed of future episodes. And stay tuned. I think this will be interesting to see as the project develops and we eventually move to the farm. Right, Evie? På plass. Look at this top dog. Huh? Free? Yeah. That's 99.5 Erlend's benefit, that she's so well dressed.